sometimes it becomes ridiculous that when you reach here, you start going against your report. It becomes ridiculous. And honorable members, we have here an annual development plan. It is a plan, like any plan for those who want to get married. You can plan to get married in December, but you get that you are married earlier than December. So, honorable members, kindly, let us not waste time. Let me finish later. And how do I wish that you listened to the minority leader when he was supporting this? How do I wish that you listened to him? Because we are here now starting arguing as if this is the implementing document on our boss.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for this opportunity. I rise to support this report. Is a very good report, Honorable Speaker. But I also understand that there is a room for some amendments, because that's why we are seated here today, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, if we achieve all our annual development plans, then as a county, Honorable Speaker, we shall be shining, and all the other 46 counties should come here for benchmarking, Honorable Speaker. You can agree with me that with the plan we have here today, Honorable Speaker, those are very good projections for this county, Honorable Speaker. I believe in transformation of all the wards, Honorable Speaker. The chair budget has indicated that we are projecting close to 16 billion in this new financial year, Honorable Speaker. And it was very categorical that we have 7 billion set aside for development, Honorable Speaker. What we should be discussing, how much money is going to each ward, Honorable Speaker, and how quickly we can achieve that as a county, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, Mazimba town is one of the oldest towns we have here, and that is why specifically I rose to indicate that I have an aspiration that that town also to be upgraded. When we talk about Kisii municipality, Ogembo municipality, we should also be talking about Masimba municipality, Suneka municipality. As a county and as a house, we should have those projections, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, the year 2022-2023, there was money set aside 10 million for Masimba town. And I'm requesting the chair budget, Honorable Speaker, this might have passed our eyes, that once more should be a matter to discuss and a matter to be considered, Honorable Speaker. And with the 7 billion that we have for the new financial year, Honorable Speaker, Honorable, the leader of minority was a bit not clear. He made it as a question, Honorable Speaker. I'm saying that let us have a projection how much money we can send to each ward, because there is the law of equity, Honorable Speaker. And finally, we talk about our own source revenue, Honorable Speaker. We shall see the control budget report, Honorable Speaker, soon. If the members have not been able to look at it, we have done poorly in terms of our own projection, Honorable Speaker. It's a challenge to the county leadership that we work on that so that we can be able to raise or to achieve the target that we set. I've seen the new target is 800 million. I want to challenge the chair that we need to have a serious consultations and discussions with the executive so that we not just set targets. Let us achieve the targets that we set. Because in the last financial year, Honorable Speaker, in the last quarter, we have not been able to achieve our own target. And that cuts down the budget that we get from the national government. For those few remarks, thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Vetina.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for according me this opportunity to contribute.